Hey, how y'all doing? This is the shed. We're not dicking around. We're going for a motorcycle ride. Run that intro. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Blue Bike and Doors channel. How you mama and them? We're going for a little ride. You can't see me if I stand on that side, can you? We're going to ride with the Southern Cruiser Tallapoosa Chapter 365. Supposed to ride over to Center, Alabama. Eat lunch. Ride motorcycle, eat lunch, and eat ice cream later. Probably. Hopefully. Hey y'all. Oh, me. Hey y'all again. Hey y'all. Me. So it's Saturday, so let's watch out for bonehead mowers before I won't get to record any because I'll be riding in a group. But anyway, what's up, Bikes, Beards, and Brews? Ben's from Bikes, Beards, and Brews. What's up, Bikes, Beards, Brews? Whatever. That's my what up for today. Oh, me. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all again. Dang, I'm going to start sounding like Ray. Ray Gregory Rides. That's 2 shout-outs today. It's 68, 69 degrees. 70. Nope, 69. It's leveled off at, nope, 70.2. It's getting acclimated. It's feels good. It had a little cool front come through. Not supposed to get up to about 85 or so, but the low humidity is what's the key factor is. Nope, went back down. We went through that little hole. So it's about 70 degrees. August 18th. August 18th. I date myself. Yep, GoPro start recording. Yeah, I date myself, Bikes. No, RoadReality. He did a video last week or this week. Whenever you see this, it's been a while back. About dating his videos, and he's like 3 months back, and he does that because he records so much. And oh dear, oh dear. Red word, oh dear. Red word. Oh dear. Woo. Ooh, that was another one. He records so much. And oh dear, oh dear. That was another one. Ooh, we'd like to got that one because I watched them other 2 and didn't see that one come out the back. Yep. Guess that little cold front got them moving, but usually rut they don't start moving about October, November around here anyway. Deer season come in October or something, I think. Whew. That one talking about RoadReality, he like to get hit by a deer in Van. I think Dewey, no, MyDunnLife caught it on his video, I believe it was, and it jumped like right over his front fender. Yeah. So what are we doing? I done forgot. Oh man. Oh, we're going to. Yeah, I got 2 videos going at the same time on it. Good. Because I switch back and forth. Got my billfold, yep. Got my Rule 9, yep. Got my pea shooter, yep. Got everything, I hope, except my insanity. We're going, first stop is we got to, we'll get gas on the way to the post office. We're going to Tallapoosa post office because when I did Bikes, Beards, and Brews just now, just because I got them a package going to send out to them. Yep. Me. I'm passing the love on, put it that way. So let's, we'll get back to you when we get something worth recording. Yeah, we'll do that. Alright, we made it back up here. Well, we made it back up here. We never was here, right? We made it to Ingalls and Bremen, Georgia. At the gas station, well, we will when we make this left turn right here. I should have went. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Those after man in the morning, then working for a dime and told. No, there's some. Bill and Barry. Barry's got the gun show going on. Well, I don't know if I got audio or not now. I think I pulled something loose. Dang it. And of course, it never fails when you... Oh, well. That's plugged in. Hello, hello. Well, I don't know. Are you working now, you sucker? Huh. Cut it off and cut it back on and you work. Huh. Maybe it was picking up too much noise. Anyway, now let's go to time lapse. GoPro, stop recording. Hey, I interrupt this part of the time lapse video. We still on the way to Jake's on the Lake, but here's a Terrapin Creek, Terrapin. Ooh, the bridge road must have washed away here. Rock slide right here, Redneck in Tarpon Creek. Ooh, he liked to turn that van over. You can see down in there really. But you see the creek a little bit, maybe not. It's crystal clear, cold spring fed water. It happens. Don't panic. She stalled it, but that's okay. We all done it. Oh, shit! Oh, God. She went down hard. she's alright. Hey. She's slowing down here. Uh-oh, having a birthday party. Let's find a shady spot to park in. Oh, it's pretty, ain't it? Here, Jake's on the lake. Alright, we'll see how good this food is. I've heard good things about it. Happy birthday. Okay, it's pretty good food. Quick service. I had the barbecue tacos, real good. The tropical slider, which is chicken breast and pineapple, it was okay. Chicken's a little dry, but it is what it is. But it was pretty good. Enjoyed it. Filled me up. Them barbecue taco was huge. Good thing I only got one for $5. The sliders were $3 a piece. Yep, real good. $2.50 for fountain drink. Yeah, buddy. So if we get out of here. So let's see if we can get out of here without no more incidents. Who's just saying what? I don't know why the M8's got to idle up 1,000 RPMs. Don't hit the pothole, don't hit the pothole, don't hit the pothole. I missed it. Usually I hit it every time. So we're going to stop down here at the crossroads and eat ice cream. Superman Cave. We rode a motorcycle and now we got to eat ice cream. So we could park right here. There was enough room, we could park right there. You know what? I didn't get no picture of us eating ice cream. It was good ice cream. So we've hit the, so as we get out here, Park's doing a lot of parking stuff. When's the car show? I can't see. September something. 23rd, I believe. Alright, so we had a wonderful day out riding. Ride motorcycle and eat ice cream. Woohoo! I had a milkshake, strawberry milkshake there, Kevin. Superman. Kev. So you go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you later.